So first things first, you have to steam your meat, chicken, whatever you're using for this soup. You just have to steam it. Then you add your onions and your cubes, your seasoning, your pepper, whatever you normally use, just use it. So I'm a mixer. If you've noticed in all my cooking videos, I always like to just mix. I just like things to be properly mixed so that they can taste better. You don't want when there is salt somewhere, there is no salt in the other place. So I'm a mixer. I'm going to leave this to cook for a while. And as you can see, I'm bringing it. I'm just turning it just to make sure it's well mixed. I'm a mixer. Duh. So I made sure the water was well dried because when you're cooking afang soup, you don't want a lot of water. And I'm going to be adding my ice fish. I added the head of my fish. Yes, a lot of people don't add theirs, but I'm adding mine. And I'm going to also add my smoked fish, which is very, very important. I feel like all the things I'm using are the basic things you need. There's so many things you can add to this: snail, goat's meat, and all that. But these are like the basic things that would really give it that sweet taste. So I'm going to be adding my palm oil and my crayfish mix. I'm a crayfish mixer. So I'm going to just be mixing this together, and I'll leave this to cook for a while. So you can add your salt, your pepper, extra pepper for those that like pepper. You can add your salt now. I didn't add salt to the meat, so you can add it now. I'm going to be adding my water leaf. Yes, very, very important. I'm going to be adding this. And you know water leaf brings out a lot of water. That was why I made sure the meat was well dried. And I'm just mixing this together, and I'm adding extra palm oil to make sure there's enough oil in it. You know how it is. All these leaves, they can eat up your palm oil and you won't see it. It will not be as if you didn't put any palm oil. I'm just going to be mixing this up. And meanwhile, when you mix and mix, the fish scatters. So just be careful. If you know you don't like your fish to scatter, then be very careful. Then I allowed it to cook, even though I didn't show you. Then I'm going to be adding my afang or okazi, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be adding my snail. I'm just going to be mixing this together properly. Like this is like the final mixing, so you have to make sure it is well mixed. My fish is scattering, but it's not a problem. That one is not even an issue. I'm going to just mix this together, leave it to cook for a while, and that is practically it. You don't have to leave the afang to cook for a very long time. And that is it, guys. This is my delicious afang soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and this recipe is very helpful to you. Please share, like, comment, and let me know what you think. I love you guys for watching, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and click on the bell button. Bye.